Hello guys, it's Tessy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, All Things Tessye. Today's video is about how to do a box braid on yourself. And these are the products I'm about to use. The hair I'm using is the Naomi Double, and it's two-tone colors, golden and black. Okay, and the next item is the shea butter, and my edge control is a Cantu shea butter hair control, hair tie, and my rat comb. Okay, my hair is already been stretched out, and I have a video out of how to prep your hair for protective styling. If you've not watched the video, please check it out. Okay, I just plugged that in there. All right, and please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing. Give this video a like, and also leave a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know how you prep your hair, how you do your own box braid yourself. If you can, let me know in the comment section. And let me tell you something, I know I always struggle with the back of my head. Okay, to section the back of my hair, I always struggle with it, but the edge control give me the sense of guide to get through the back section. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here. And I use about 2.5 packets of this hair because it's 2 in 1. So let me say 4.5 pack of this hair, and it took me about 10 hours if I'm not mistaken. And I must say one thing: if you're about to do your box braid, if you're fast, it can take you about 8 hours, but I'm not fast, and I'm not a professional hairstylist, so it takes me a little bit longer to get my hair done. First, here I'm showing the real time of how I started braiding my hair. Okay, but a little bit going forward, I will fasten the video so that I don't waste anybody's time or bore you out. Okay, all right. And if you are not following me on Instagram, I will pop my Instagram handle on the screen. Okay, so you follow me and let's connect more. One thing I forgot to mention in this video is that the hair I'm using is already pre-stretched. Okay, so I started using the hair immediately. I took it out of the pack, so there is no stress of stretching the hair out, brushing, making sure it's all well stretched. I didn't do all that, and it's time saving. Okay.
Here is go back.
Lord, no, I was exhausted. I couldn't feel my feet because I was standing all through, but I'm glad I'm all done. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video, and remember, your presence here is always appreciated.